This video is about simplifying expressions with logarithms. So we start with part A, which is ln 2 plus square root 3 plus the ln 2 minus square root of 3. Now this is the sum of two logs to the same base. The base here, remember, ln is the log base e, which is also called the natural log. Now there is a formula that tells you that the sum of two logs with the same base, of course, so the sum of the log base a of capital A plus the log same base a capital B, that gives you the log of the same base a multiplied by b. So this is exactly what we are going to apply here. So this is the ln 2 plus square root of 3 multiplied by 2 minus square root of 3. Now let's develop this. This is something that we know. When you have the sum multiplied by the difference of two numbers, that gives you a square minus b square. It's very simple. You just develop and then you simplify, you obtain this. So let's go here and apply it. This is equal to ln a square 2 square minus b square square root of 3 square. 2 square is 4. Now square root of 3 and then you square it, that gives you 3. So all this gives me 3 with a minus here, and then this gives ln of 4 minus 3, that ln of 1, and ln of 1 we know it's equal to 0. Now let's go to part B. In part B we have the form a ln of a ln of b. Now there is a formula for this. This gives you ln of b to the power a. So the a, which is coefficient here, becomes a power. So let's start. 2 ln 3, it's ln 3 power 2 plus ln 7. Now this also we apply the same thing. It's ln square root of 3 power 2. Now this is a sum of two logs. So that's going to give me ln 3 power 2 multiplied by 7. This is the formula we saw before, this one here. Now minus ln square root of 3 power 2 square root of 3 power 2, that simplifies to 3. Now we have the difference of two logs. Ln of capital A, this is a formula, minus ln of capital B is equal to ln of A divided by B. So that's going to give me ln 3 power 2 multiplied by 7 divided by 3, simplify, and that's the answer is ln 3 times 7, 21. This is the final answer. This is the expression in part B simplified. Now in part C we are given the difference of two logs. However, they have different base. So we cannot apply, for example, this, which is the difference of two logs. Now let's try to evaluate separately. So the first one, log 4. Now 2 to the power 4, it's 2 by 2 by 2 by 2. That gives me 16. Minus 2 log 2. 1 over 8. 8 is 2 to the power 3. Good. Now let's try to express 16 as 4 to the power 2. 4 to the power 2 equals 16. Log 2. Now 1 over 2 power 3, that gives me, using the negative exponent, it can be written like this. And now we can simplify. We know that log of a to the power x, this simplify to x, as long as this a and this a are the same, which is the case here. So equal, that gives me 2 minus log 2, this is this and this are the same, so that gives me minus 3, and all this gives me 5. So this is the final answer for the expression in part C.